Hello friend, good morning. Today we start the underwriting account problem. First, before start this problem, please subscribe the channel, like this channel, and click on the bell icon. So, first problem start. We start very simple problem. The Nav Bharat Limited issued 5,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each. The entire issue was underwritten by Ganesh Brothers for a commission of 5%. The shares were payable as follows: on application rupees 20, on allotment rupees 30, on first and final call rupees 50. The public applied only for 4,000 shares. The rest of the shares were taken up by Ganesh Brothers. Later on, they sold 800 shares at rupees 110 per share. The underwriter's expenses amounted to rupees 5,000. On the date of accounting, the market value of shares was rupees 120. Prepare the underwriting account in the books of Ganesh Brothers. Friends, this is the simple problem. Before solve this problem, we must uh, find out underwriter's liability, underwriter's commission, and these underwriter's liability and underwriter's commissions find out taking the working notes. So first working notes to find out underwriter's liability. How to find out underwriter's liability? First of all, we take a number of shares issued. Company issued 5,000 shares. Okay. Then less number of shares taken up by the public. Public uh, taken up by the shares 4,000. Total shares issued 5,000, but public applied only 4,000. It means so 1,000 is the short subscription. How the short subscription? Number of shares issued less number of shares taken up by the public. So remaining is the short subscription. Then second most important point is underwriting commission. The underwriting commission is calculated on the amount underwritten and not just short subscription. Hence 5% of rupees 5 lakh. Why 5% of rupees 5 lakh? Because company issued 5,000 shares and per share rupees 100 is. So 5,000 into 100, how many? 5 lakh. And the commission is agreed 5%. So total shares are underwritten. Entire issue was underwritten. So commission is also on entire issue, and that entire issue is rupees 5 lakh. So 5% on 5 lakh, that is the commission. Now third most important point, share on hand. The share on hand are valued at cost or market price, whichever is less. While the market price is given in the problem, that is 120 rupees given in the problem, the cost price can be calculated by using the simple formula just I told you. What is formula? Total debit minus total credit excluding sales proceed upon number of shares taken up minus number of shares transferred to sub underwriter. Here we amount fill up in this formula. Before fill up this amount, we start to solve the underwriting account, and then we see that formula, filling the formula. Look, in the books of Ganesh Brothers, underwriting account, shares of Navbharat Limited. How many sides there are? 3 on debit and 3 on credit side. First column particular, second column incoming shares, IS means incoming shares, third column amount or rupees we say, on credit side particular, OS means outgoing shares and rupees or amount. Now it is like profit and loss account, means on profit and loss account expenses on debit side and incomes on credit side. Same in underwriting account, expenses on debit side and incomes on credit side. But whose expenses or incomes? Underwriters expenses or underwriters income, which are taken on this account on debit or credit side. So first of all we taken to bank expenses. How many expenses? The expenses has been given in the problem, 5,000 expenses. The underwriter expenses amounted to rupees 5,000. Then it is on amount column. Then to bank application money. Now we find out the short subscription. How many short subscription? 1,000 is the short subscription. So application money is 20. So 20 into 1,000. 20 into 1,000, that is 20,000. So friend, 1,000 into 20, 1,000 is short subscription and 20 is on application money. So 20,000. Then due the allotment money to bank. Allotment money is 1,000 into 30. 30 is the allotment money. So 1,000 into 30, 30,000. So on amount column. Then to bank call money. Call money 1,000 into 50. 50 is the call money. 1,000 into 50, 50,000. So these are the due by the underwriter. 1,000 is the short subscription and all amount will be due on pay on the application, allotment and call money. It is the expenses of underwriter. So he pay the application, allotment and call money to Navbharat Limited. Then on credit side, by bank commission 5% on 5 lakh, because entire issue was underwritten. So 5% on 5 lakh, how many commission? 25,000. Then by bank sale of shares, how many shares sale? 800 shares are sold. In the para say that later on they sold 800 shares at rupees 110 per share. So 800 into 110, 88,000. In outgoing shares 800 and in amount column 88,000. So it is the sale proceed. Then total of debit side incoming shares 1,000. Total of so this 1,000 is taken on credit side 1,000. So 800 remaining how many? 200. This 200 is balance and the balance 200 is at the rate of rupees 80. The balance rupees 200 per share, 200 shares per share rupees 80. Now this rupees 80, how to calculate? This rupees 80 is calculated on the base of given formula. What is formula? The formula is given to you total of debits. Total of debit means the total of debit sides. Total means 5,000 plus 20,000 plus 30,000 plus 50,000. This is total of debit, and that is total of debit is 1,05,000. Okay, 1,05,000. Then next, total of credit excluding sale proceed. Excluding sale proceed, 88,000 is the sale proceed. So 25,000. Excluding sale proceed, 25,000 minus from 1,05,000 upon number of shares taken up. How many shares taken up by the underwriter? 1,000 shares taken up. So 1,000 minus number of shares transferred to sub underwriter. There is no sub underwriters, so nil means the formula is in the previous slide 1,05,000. This is total of debit. 20,000 total of credit excluding sale proceed. Number of shares taken up 1,000 and minus number of share transferred to sub underwriter. There is no underwriters, minus nil. So short calculate this formula, and the remaining amount is 80. So 80 rupees is the cost price of per share, and market price is given 120. Whichever is less, market price 120, cost price 80. 80 is the less, cost price is the less. So which price is taken? Whichever is less price is taken. Cost price is less, so here shares in hand at the rate of rupees 80. 200 is the balance of shares, and we taken 200 into 80, that is 16,000. And then total the credit side 1,29,000. Then this 1,20,000 taken on debit side, and the balance is 24,000, which is transferred to profit and loss account, or we call that is the profit. So very simple problem. If you any queries or any problem, please ask me on my mobile number 9881480582, or on my mail sukeshtembre@gmail.com. Thank you friends. Stay home, stay safe.